Hello everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Delta Faucet Ophelia 19888TZBLDSD Touch Kitchen Faucet with pull-down kitchen faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. Delta Faucet Ophelia 19888TZBLDSD Touch Kitchen Faucet with pull-down sprayer, touch faucet for kitchen sink. Delta Touch 2.0 technology. It's a popular choice for those who want a high-end, professional look in their kitchen. Here's a closer look at its features and details. Design and finish. Traditional style with modern touches, while the overall silhouette exudes a classic elegance. With its curved spout and lever handle, the pull-down spray head and sleek lines add a contemporary feel. Single handle simplicity. The single handle design keeps the countertop uncluttered and offers effortless control over water temperature and flow. Touch of technology. The integrated Touch 2.0 technology blends seamlessly into the design, enhancing functionality without compromising aesthetics. Matte black elegance. The matte black finish is a popular choice for modern kitchens, adding a touch of sophistication and drama. Fingerprint magnet. Be aware that the matte black finish can show fingerprints and water spots more readily than other finishes. However, some find this adds to the rustic charm. Complementary options. The matte black finish pairs well with various countertop materials and cabinet colors, offering versatility in kitchen design. Here's a summary of its key features and details. Features. Touch 2.0 technology. Turn the faucet on and off with a simple touch anywhere on the spout or handle, even with messy hands. ShieldSpray technology. A powerful spray that cleans messes while containing splatter. Diamond seal technology. Reduces leak points and lasts twice as long as the industry standard. MagnaTite docking. Keeps the spray head securely in place when not in use. ADA compliant. Easy to use for people with disabilities. Pull-down spray head. Offers 2 spray modes, stream and spray. Leak-free guaranteed. Delta offers a lifetime guarantee against leaks. Additional information. Installation guide and hardware included. Battery operated for Touch 2.0 technology. A batteries required. Lifetime limited warranty. Overall, the Delta Faucet Ophelia 19888TZBLDSD combines classic elegance with modern functionality and a statement-making finish. It's ideal for those seeking a faucet that enhances both the form and function of their kitchen. Here are some additional points to consider. Matching accessories. Delta offers matching accessories like soap dispensers and cabinet pulls in the Ophelia collection to create a cohesive look. Kitchen style. The matte black finish might not be the best fit for every kitchen style. Consider if it matches your overall aesthetic. Maintenance. Regular cleaning is recommended to maintain the look of the matte black finish. Here's a summary of the pros and cons of the Delta Faucet Ophelia 19888TZBLDSD Kitchen Faucet. Pros. High quality construction and durability. Innovative features like touchless control and powerful spray. Modern and stylish design. Water efficient. Easy to use and maintain. Cons. Expensive compared to other similar faucets. Requires battery replacement for Touch 2.0 technology. Ultimately, Whether or not the Delta Faucet Ophelia 19888TZBLDSD is discreet for your kitchen depends on your personal preferences and the overall aesthetic you are trying to achieve. However, its sleek lines, minimalist design, and touchless technology definitely make it a contender for those looking for a faucet that is both stylish and functional without being too over the top. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the Bolden faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading!